Thank you, AMA. Ahmedabad, I have visited many number of times, and Gujaratis enjoy listening to Madrasi. And this Madrasi speaks a simple English. So that is another good thing. And the second thing is in between some Hindi punchlines come. So people find it enjoyable. And as introduced, I'm from Coimbatore and from a village, poverty, and village and poverty as a concoction is very, very powerful one. And I was fortunate to have both. My father was neither an employee nor an employer. My mother was a lady with 5 children, no income, and she reared 2 buffaloes and 70 liters milk a week, 1 rupee a liter. So 70 rupees was the budget available for her. And with that money, she made sure in her life she never borrowed. She never surrendered her dignity to anyone. Made sure all her children were Madras University graduates and Bombay University postgraduates. This is the power of a lady who has guts and grits. And I want all mothers to be remembered when I talk. And if you are a mother, probably you too can do it and you can make things possible. Those days, Tamil Nadu had wonderful chief ministers, past tense. And there was one Mr. Kamaraj, chief minister of Tamil Nadu, who brought in midday meals scheme, which means meals were brought to schools as early as 70s, early 70s. अगर स्कूल में मील्स नहीं आता तो मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता और आज भाषण नहीं देता. So I want to remember his contribution for many, many children like me. And then I can write a book on how did I do a BSc degree in spite of all these things. And 1978, I finished a first class BSc, which was otherwise would have been a BCom, because I joined for BCom. My mathematics 12th was 200 out of 200 without a textbook, only a library support. And my father said, engineering is 5 years, I can't afford. And he said the lowest, cheapest 3-year course you can pick up. BSc was 400 and BCom was 300. And my father understood BCom has 4 letters, it's just 300, while a BSc has only 3 letters and it costs 400. सच्ची में मेरा पिताजी लगता है गुजराती बढ़िया था. But when I joined there, after 1 month, one college professor, Dr. K.R. Karthikeyan, he observed that the 100 rupees made me to go for commerce. So he gave me his personal money, 100 rupees, which I repaid after a long time. But that is how I became a scientist. So I always remember Dr. Karthikeyan for that. In fact, I will be only acknowledging people in my journey, which will give you a taste about what is that journey was. 78, first class, BSc, Coimbatore, Manchester of South India. Both Sara industries, they lot of opportunities, but everywhere, everybody asks the same stupid question and again. Do you have experience? Exam तो मई महीना में खत्म हुआ, जून महीना में कहां से experience खरीद के आएगा? It was like literally sitting in front of a girl whom you are likely to get married and asking her, तुम्हारे कितने बच्चे हैं? शादी तो पहले होनी चाहिए, नौकरी तो पहले देनी चाहिए. So in 1978 itself, I took a decision, अगर मुझे एक दिन employer बनने के लिए मौका मिला, तो I will only recruit freshers, and I'm very happy to tell I have employed not less than 12,000 freshers in my organization. So that is the kind of determination even before I got a job. And then unemployed, underemployed. Then finally, fortunately, that company also was closed down. Now, why I keep on telling fortunately, if you have been successful, all happened was fortunate. And yeah, it was on August 18, 1982. The train was 81 down, Kanyakumari to VT railway station via Coimbatore. S9 coach, berth number 41. I boarded and I landed in Mumbai like a dawn with 500 rupees in my body, not in my pocket, because pocket में pickpocket होएगा. तो 5 जगह में 100 रुपया करके अलग अलग जगह पे रख के मुंबई में उतरा. One day earlier I came, that was my intelligence, because in the month of August it pours like anything, but I wasn't aware of. I knew government job, मौका मिला तो मिलेगा, मौका गया तो गया. So I came one day in advance, and exactly that day it poured like anything, and other people could not come for interview. 500 लोग आना था इंटरव्यू में, सिर्फ 50 लोग आए थे, तो मेरा भर्ती लग गई है. So Lady Luck smiled at me, and in the interview I was asked a question, where is thyroid? वो भी नहीं पता था, लेकिन बरसात के कारण मुझे नौकरी मिल ही गया. And let me tell you here one punchline to start with. If you do what you have studied, you will survive. But if you do what you have not studied, you will be the leader. So 1982, I did not know where thyroid was. And in 1992, I did a PhD in thyroid. And in 2002, I'm running world's largest thyroid testing laboratory. So that is how the journey was. Fortunate I was. I think I had like my father, I doubted to have a Gujarati connection. I had in Mumbai, one Desai, one Mehta, one Patel, and one Shaw, all were my superiors. Other than that, Homi Baba was also a Gujarati speaking man. And also I was posted in Tata Memorial Hospital, where Tata also is a Gujarati speaking man. So if you want to connect with it, I think I have enjoyed the broad-minded, kind-hearted Gujaratis a lot. I was very nice to my boss. I think generally people tell मेरा boss खराब है. That is, you तू खराब रहेगा तो boss भी खराब रहेगा ही. But I was nice to him, and he asked me, do you want to do MSc? And in fact, my boss was a blind man, very, very important. And I joined, and my major task was to help him to complete his career. And his breakfast, his tea, lunch, toilet, everything was on my shoulder. And I was very nice to him. And he was so nice to me, he got me to do MSc and PhD, which was never thought of, which became as a bonus while working. So Velumani was supported a lot by nature, and he himself made a lot of positive movement, positive vibes. So Velumani finally becomes a PhD in thyroid, all increments in time, all promotions in time. And I was a government officer, so my father-in-law was in love with me. And then he wanted me to marry his daughter. I didn't want to marry, but then he persuaded so much, then I thought I must marry. And then that's a story very different in the question and answers. If you people are keen to understand, ask me why I didn't want to marry and then how I married. But then marriage was through, she was working with State Bank of India. So Mera Pagar, Government of India, Uska Pagar, State Bank of India. Life is absolute bliss. 37 years of age, खेड़ा बैठा था 37 में, कहाँ से आया पता नहीं है. आप लोग गुजराती लोग रिस्क से इश्क है तो आप समझ जाते हैं, वैसा मुझे भी रिस्क से इश्क था. और मुझे लगा चलो कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. जीने आया या जीतने आया, बड़ा होना है या बुढ़ा होना है। बुढ़ा तो अपने आप होता है, बड़ा होना है तो रिस्क लेना है, रिस्क। और तमिल में एक कहावत है, मैं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके बताऊंगा। एक लंबा बाल खींचो, उसमें एक नाट बांधो, एक पहाड़ के ऊपर डालो, खींचो, आया तो पहाड़, गया तो बाल। तो मुझे तो समझ में आया कि ये सरकार नौकरी में जो पगार आता है वो कहीं भी आएगा क्या, रिस्क तो मुझे नहीं दिखता है। और मैं बहुत फ्रूगल था। इन माय पर्सनल लाइफ आई हैव नेवर borrowed, इन माय बिजनेस आई हैव नेवर borrowed। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। And I was highly frugal because my mother made me so. My wife was more frugal than me, and that was the reason why we became very successful. And पैसा बचाता ही गया। 37 में क्लोजिंग बैलेंस देख रहा हूँ, 2 लाख था। 1995 2 lakh is equal to 1 crore today. Closing balance sufficient for 40 months of family comfort. बिकॉज महीना में 5,000 खर्च होता था, 2 लाख क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है, 40 महीना सिक्योरिटी। टिक नंबर 1, राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड कोलीग्स सभी 2 bedroom 3 bedroom भाड़े पे लेके ईएमआई में फंसा हुआ था। मैं एक ही आदमी था जिसको ईएमआई था नहीं। सो टिक नंबर 2। टिक नंबर 3, मेरा बीवी स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में काम करती थी, 2 पगार क्यों चाहिए, खत्म। डिसीजन तो शाम तक ले ही लिया, रिजाइन कर दिया। आई डिडंट डिस्कस विद माय फैमिली। In life, either you can discuss or you can decide. You can't do both. If you discuss, in fact, if you don't want to decide, you please start discussing. And that is how many people lose an opportunity. And I didn't discuss, decided, submitted the resignation, went home. Dinner में कुछ बात ही नहीं हुई इसके बारे में। रात को 2 बजे मेरा बेबी पूछा, आप आज सोया नहीं है? I told her I have resigned. सीनोस रात को तो मैं जोक ज्यादा नहीं करता हूँ, मजाक ज्यादा नहीं करता हूँ। तो सी अंडरस्टूड आई एम सीरियस। Until that time she was horizontal, then she became vertical. She went and switched on the light and looked at me, and after a few seconds of silence she said, अगर आप नहीं गया तो मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगी। तो ये तो रात को 2 बजे दम की, लेकिन उसको पता नहीं था मैं सलमान खान हूँ। एक बार डिसीजन लेता हूँ मैं किसी का सुनता नहीं हूँ, अपने आप को भी नहीं सुनता हूँ। तो आई जस्ट heard that she will not go to office if I don't go. Oh, that is scary. Until that time I was horizontal and then I also became vertical. And I told her, chalo साथ जिएंगे साथ मरेंगे। And I want you people to understand this is the biggest risk. A 37-year-old man with a 5-year-old son, 3-year-old daughter, both of us leaving the job, eldest in the family, bus risk is a risk. The bigger is the risk, the bigger will be the story. So I keep telling my title of my talk as Romance with Risk very often. And that is exactly what had happened. So this is the transition of Velumani from village to Baba Atomic Research Center, then Baba Atomic Research Center to an entrepreneur. That happened in 1995. It is important because all of you are in business. You should not think that Velumani was like a what is that, PC Sarkar as a magician. It's all logical, and I will explain you what is the logic. उस जमाना में आत्मनिर्भर नाम नहीं था। ये दोनों भी गुजराती सेंटर में आने का बहुत नया नाम आया, आत्मनिर्भर। Otherwise there was always an effort to create an imported things, an indigenous substitution. So thyroid testing में imported 150 रुपया होता था, और हमें प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया थायराइड टेस्ट या रिएजेंट लोकली क्यों नहीं बन सकता। जब हम बनाया 30 रुपया की हिसाब पड़ी। तो मुझे पता था मेरा पूरा कॉम्पिटिटर 150 रुपया में खरीद रहे हैं, मुझे 30 ही रुपया लगेगा, चलो खेल के देखेगा। तो मुझे क्रिकेट बॉल फुटबॉल जैसा दिखाई दी। तो मैदान में उतरा और मैं खेला, उतना खेला। बाकी लोग 150 रुपया में raw material and selling price 500. Mine was 30 rupees raw material, selling price was 100. My selling price was less than the raw material price. Disrupted. So this is the insights of a domain knowledge. Nobody can do disruptions until they understand the mathematics very well. If mathematics is strong, I was fortunately a mathematics man. If mathematics is wrong, costing is in place. If costing is right, pricing is right. And if pricing is right, you will never fail. All people who have failed on this year, they have failed only because they did not know how to price it. And number one is pricing mein comfort tha. Second thing, in Coimbatore, there is a brand Annapurna. Many of you must have traveled in non-COVID days. This gentleman had a single kitchen and 10 restaurants even in 70s, which means a cloud kitchen was created by a Madrasi even in 70s. And he is also from my village. He felt, why we need a kitchen in every restaurant in the same city? Why can't we use a centralized kitchen? And he minted $1 billion that time itself. So what has happened? Velumani analyzed, why not a laboratory? Why not a laboratory be considered like a hotel where customer is engaged is a restaurant, where testing is done is kitchen. So I tried to keep a kitchen for entire South Mumbai. It worked very well. Then I tried to create a kitchen for entire Mumbai. It worked. Then Surat, Nasik, Pune, it worked. Then Delhi, Calcutta, Coimbatore, it worked. And then Indonesia to Saudi Arabia, it is working. So this business model of centralized kitchen has worked. The next is a Madrasi cannot do business anywhere other than Madras because usko Hindi nahi aata hai, baki language kuch nahi aata hai. So for Maharashtra, I appointed a local man. The local man was franchisee, and franchisee does the job of procurement. He doesn't do the processing. I do only processing. I don't do procurement. ये तालमेल में फ्रेंचाइजी को मैंने बोला 500 रुपया मार्केट दे रहा है, आप 300 रुपया ले लो, 100 रुपया मुझे दे दो. He became unconscious. ऐसा कोई बिजनेस में 60% देता थोड़ी, लेकिन उसने सुना 300 रुपया, लेकिन समझा 500 रुपया. तो 500 रुपया लेता है, मुझे 100 रुपया देता है. तो बट देन आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट इट. दिल से दिया तो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड और उसका बॉयफ्रेंड, एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड और उसका भी एक साली को फ्रेंचाइजी दिला डाला in different districts in India, and my network became very powerful. All samples came to Mumbai overnight from 60 airports in the country. Every night, same night, before midnight, samples came to Mumbai. Sample का तो सिगरेट साइज में मैंने वायल बनाया, उसमें मैंने बारकोड लगाया. ऐसा कोई टेस्ट ट्यूब के ऊपर कोई बारकोड लगाया ही नहीं था. So lot of things this Madrasi went and he did not copy from anyone. वो मत करो जो पड़ोसी कर रहा है, क्योंकि फिर अब वही होगा जो पड़ोसी हुआ है. So I did my own version of doing this business. Worked very well. Freshers take, train, build, grow. And I started a business when internet was not existing. उस समय में पेजरी आया था, उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं था. So every IT, HR, logistics is fully used. And Velumani suddenly understood उसका रोज 100 सैंपल आता, उसका गाड़ी खरीद सकता था, लेकिन 1000 में पहुंच गया, उसके बाद 10,000 में पहुंच गया, अभी 1 लाख तक पहुंच गया एक रोज में. So that is the journey. And then investors came to me. Investors wanted to invest with me. And when you go to an investor to pitch, your value is half. When investor comes to pitch to you, the value is 2x. So वो मेरा टेबल पे आया था, और this was in the year 2010. जब ये आए थे मेरा कंपनी का वैल्यू लगता था 200 करोड़ का वैल्यू होएगा। कुछ टॉप लाइन बॉटम लाइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन कुछ हिसाब नहीं किया। जैसा मैं सलमान खान की भाषा में बोलता हूँ, जो मैं बोलता हूँ, जहां नहीं वो अमिताभ है, जहां मैं खड़ा रहता हूँ वहीं से लाइन शुरू होता है। तो मैंने 200 को 400 बोला, उसने पूछा 400 ये कैसा, यू आर ऑन माई टेबल। उसको थोड़ा ईगो लगा, बुरा लगा, तो चाय आधा में रख के निकल गया। Because I didn't want to sell. I will tell you the power of a business is when you don't want to sell, it has too good power. Exactly after 2 quarters, again they visited us. And this time I knew that 400 was an ideal rate. लेकिन मन में लगा कि 500 बोलो इस बार। साहब अभी 2 क्वार्टर पहले आया था, 400 था, 500 हो गया। हाँ 2 क्वार्टर अच्छा गया, इस बार काफी आने तक नहीं बैठा, निकल गया। फिर से वही आए थे, मैं कॉफी नहीं वेस्ट करना था, तो सीधा उनको बोला 600 करोड़। वो लोग चेक लेके आया करके चेक काट के दे दिया। देन आफ्टर 1 year वन मोर पार्टी वांटेड 10%। मुझे लगा ये 600 से 700 से बहुत लोग खरीद लेगा, 800 बोलनी चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा भी लगा कि चेक लेके आया रहेगा तो दे देगा। तो मन में लगता था 1000 बोलूं, तो मुंह से निकला 1200। वो लोग चेक काट दिया। So my company became 1200 valuation in 2014, not 14, 12। तो आईपीओ करना था। आईपीओ करने के लिए वो लोग रिक्वेस्ट किया, मेरा ब्रदर बोला तुम लोग और किसी प्राइवेट इक्विटी को दे दो, हम आईपीओ नहीं करेंगे। फिर फाइनली मुझे बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया, आईपीओ आईपीओ क्यों नहीं करें, मैं बोला चलो करेगा। माय ब्रदर वाज नॉट हैप्पी, बट देन आई वेंट एंड टोल्ड हिम, देखो गांव से निकला, थ्रिल चाहिए करके, बॉम्बे लड़की से शादी किया, थ्रिल चाहिए करके, बीआर से नौकरी छोड़ा, थ्रिल चाहिए करके, प्राइवेट इक्विटी को डाइल्यूट किया, थ्रिल चाहिए करके, अभी आईपीओ भी करनी चाहिए क्योंकि थ्रिल चाहिए। So he couldn't stop me and we went for an IPO. IPO got subscribed 74 times. And after Reliance Power of Ambani, first time a company got 74 times subscribed. तो लोगों को समझ में आया ये वैल्यू मनी बन गया। गुजराती लोग इसको वैल्यू मनी बोलते थे। And it got listed with another 25% upside, and it was 3300 crore on 2016। इसमें थोड़ा नाटक भी हुआ था, किसी का हमने क्लोजिंग होने के बाद पैसा आया करके उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था, वो हाई कोर्ट गया था, हाई कोर्ट से पैसा ले लो करके ऑर्डर अभी आया था। जब भी भगवान देता है, चप्पर फाड़ के देता है, वैसा लोग मानते हैं, लेकिन सच में वो हाई कोर्ट से भी दिलाता है। तो मुझे बहुत हैप्पी था कि कंपनी का शेयर के ऊपर दुनिया को इतना प्यार था। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जैसा आईपीओ हुआ था उससे 50 दिन पहले आई लॉस्ट माय वाइफ फॉर अ पैंक्रियाटिक कैंसर ग्रेड 4। उसने पूरा प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने के लिए मेरे साथ आई थी, लेकिन जैसा बिल बजाने के लिए गया था आईपीओ होने के बाद, शी वाज नॉट देयर। So this was an unfortunate end, and that has impacted me a lot because she was one such a powerful lady. She made me MSc, PhD. She made me to learn Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. She made me a scientist, entrepreneur, and a storyteller. And I suddenly lost her. It was like Everest expedition, and last 100 meters, she left my hand. So that is the peak of value money, and that is where I felt now how I'm going to run the company. So year 17, 18, 19 3 साल डल गई, परफॉर्मेंस सिर्फ 20% ग्रोथ था, अदरवाइज पहले 35% ग्रोथ में चल रहा था। मुझे बुरा लगा, बट देन आई couldn't do anything till COVID came in. We were the first laboratory in the country, in the first list of ICMR to do the COVID PCR testing. And we have done 3 million tests. because this COVID revenue company has got a good top line growth, suddenly 40%, 50% growth, because of which all shareholders have pushed my share price from 400 rupees per share to 1400 rupees per share. On June 25th this year, this company had a market cap of $1 billion. And that is that day when I announced I am selling this company to Pharmacy. Pharmacy is a company held by API. The API has purchased Thyrocare at per share 1300 rupees, and I have been offered 4,800 crore just to go home and sit down peacefully. All stock has been completely sold. So once again, all in the family were wondering, ये क्यों कर रहा है? लेकिन मुझे thrill चाहिए था, तो मैंने किया. And one another important aspect is, out of this 4,500 crores of cash, 1,500 I have invested back into Pharmacy, because I believe that company will be doing a lot good to the country. तो मन किया चलो रिस्क तो लेना है, तो one more risk I have taken. It was a wonderful journey. It's not easy to exit, but then in life, what is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do, and I have done it. And in life, there is nothing known as a good decision. Take a decision and make it good. So this is how it has gone, and I want all of you to understand my success I attribute to my mother and my wife. Both have been immense support for me. And let me conclude my story by telling, if men are successful, families prosper. If women are successful, societies prosper. And please give opportunity for women to be what they are, and if they can help, nothing like it. And that also reminds one more punchline. If your spouse trusts you, your energy is 10x. If your spouse doubts you, the energy is only 0.1x. So thank you very much for Ahmedabad Management Association for calling me and asking me to talk about my journey. I have summed it up little too short. So बहुत सारा मसाला है, वो मसाला सब बहुत हंसी आएगा. लेकिन next till you are tired, you keep asking me the questions. I will tell you the humor part in it as well as the punchline part of it. Back to the moderator for questions, or allow the audience to ask questions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Velumani sir. It was a really fantastic, like as rightly said by Jaimin sir also, you are a very humorous motivator.
अभी तक आपको ह्यूमर नहीं पता चला, क्योंकि मैं स्टोरी में सीरियस था. आप सवाल पूछते ही जाइएगा, बहुत 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 ह्यूमर आएगा.
No, we are learning from the humor in a right way. So I would just request participants, audience, you can just put your questions in the chat box, or maybe you can unmute yourself also and ask your questions. Yeah, I think we got the first question, sir. How do you keep yourself engaged now? Have you started any other enterprise, because you won't like to remain idle?
नहीं, ये सब झूठ है. मैं जब इन BR से नौकरी छोड़ा, तो और एक नौकरी के लिए नहीं छोड़ा, क्योंकि उससे बेहतर नौकरी दुनिया में है ही नहीं है. अगर मैंने थायरोकेयर छोड़ा MD से, उससे बेहतर कंपनी MD मुझे पोजीशन फिर से कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. मैं राजा ही था, और अभी भी मैं कुछ बिजनेस नहीं करने वाला हूँ. और ऐसा कौन बोला कि आप चुप नहीं बैठ सकते हैं? मैं तो रिलैक्स करना चाहता हूँ. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस में कभी बहुत सारा मेरा एम्प्लॉय से सुना था, लेकिन मुझे सचमुच देखना है ऐसा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस में भी मजा आता है क्या. अगर कुछ नहीं आया तो 2 साल के बाद फिर से कुछ करूंगा. नेक्स्ट 1 or 2 years I just want to relax, enjoy the nature which is not costly, And punchline is, whatever is costly is not the true fun. Whatever is the true fun is never purchased. That is how I am intending to take my next couple of months. So that is how it is. अगर मैं कुछ करूंगा तो भी मैं कंपनी चालू नहीं करूंगा. I will be supporting those entrepreneurs who create grey collar job. Grey collar is not white collar. Grey collar is not blue collar. Somewhere in between. Other somebody is capable of producing jobs, I will fund him. Next question.
Thank you, sir. I think we have a series of questions now. So, do you think anyone takes a risk like this will succeed, always succeed like you?
There are two kinds of risk on this earth. वो जिसको वो समझ में नहीं आता है वो मर जाएगा. Number one, upside is too little, downside is too much. Another kind of risk, upside is too good, downside is too little. मैं जो बीआर से नौकरी छोड़ा उसका डाउनसाइड कुछ है ही नहीं है. ये पगार थोड़ी बहुत गरीब पगार है. मैं मिसेस आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन, अगर ये बिजनेस सक्सेस नहीं हुआ तो क्या करेंगे. मैं तो उसको बोला, सुनो मैं पीएचडी हूँ कहीं ना कहीं माउंट आबू नहीं तो महाबलेश्वर नहीं तो ऊटी में रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल में मैं तो जरूर प्रोफेसर प्रिंसिपल बनूंगा. तुम मेरी सेक्रेटरी बनेगी तो हम दोनों वहां बैठ के हवा खाएंगे. यहाँ क्या करके परेशान होना है करके. दैट इज हाउ माई रिस्क वॉज सेफ. My risk was safe because 40 months my family had money to live. My risk was safe because there was no EMI. So, and my risk was safe because my wife was willing to adjust to live in whatever way I wanted. So, if all these parameters are supporting, your risk is correct. नहीं तो चुपचाप नौकरी करते ही जाओ.
So there is always conditions apply whenever you are taking this.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So how to take decision and move ahead?
Yeah, the big problem is the decisions taking is needing a lot of courage. Everybody cannot take a decision. The man who has some kind of seen something, you see, मैं गरीब था. Success in life is delta. Delta is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is where you are, x1 was where you were that day. गरीब का x1 जीरो होता है. जीरो को डाउन साइड होता है, नहीं होता है. उसका मतलब गरीब कुछ भी डिसीजन लेगा, धनवान नहीं ले सकता है. So ये मेरा ताकत थी and I took decisions. The next point is if you ask your parents, your friends, all of them, you can never take a decision. This I will tell you how. You make all of them to sit and explain what you want to do. And if all of them said, don't do it, please do it. Why I say this is, you know, in life, again, I said earlier, what is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do. And your well-wishers want you to do what is easy to do, and that is not right to do. So this is a very, very important one. ये जो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसमें काफी गहराई है. सबको नहीं समझ में आएगा, लेकिन simple. When you have an option in life, choose what is difficult to do. You will be never wrong. Because easy to do, anyhow, all idiots must have taken a decision. थोड़ा बुरा मत मानो, मैं थोड़ा सीधा बात करता हूँ, दिल पे मत लो, उसका मतलब समझ लो. Next.
The next question is that your journey, your life journey, you explained it in a very simplified way. So the people who are living abroad, what's your advice for them?
Yeah, in that way, people go abroad, get into comfort zones. People who are in government jobs get into comfort zones. Comfort zones are danger zones. And comfort zone में बुढ़े होते हैं, बड़े नहीं होते हैं. तो रिस्क लेना है तो रिस्क लेना है. वो बाहर गया तो वहां भी रिस्क ले सकता है, वापस आके यहाँ भी रिस्क ले सकता है. So it all depends upon what is that your risk appetite, what is that you think is you should have. And let me also tell you, success in life is not only becoming richer. Success in life is becoming happier. And if you are happier, be it a scientist, be it a professional in any organization, you are happy, please don't worry. Let people make money, can make money. All people with money are not happy. And happiness has nothing to do with money. आपको बैठ के सभी बताएंगे साहब इतना धनवान हो गया तो आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन सच ये है कि I am today not as happy as what I was in my young age. तभी पैसा नहीं था, अभी वक्त नहीं है, तभी खाने को नहीं मिला था, अभी खाने को नहीं होता है. I want all of you to understand the intestine is only same length for poor and rich. Just because you are very rich, you can't have second dinner. Sambal ke, happiness is more important. But if you have an appetite and if you feel you should create jobs and create an identity, become fairly big personality in your town, in your district, in your state, entrepreneurship is a route, take risks. Next question.
A very common question, sir. What is your advice or your inputs, your things for the new budding young entrepreneurs, new startup firms and MSMEs? What is your advice for them, sir?
This is a complex advice. There are two kinds of children. One is poor children, another is rich children. So there are two advices. Rich children, पैसा लगाओ, उड़ाओ, सीखो जल्दी, फिर से एक बार पैसा डालो, इस बार सही business करो. But for a fresher, for a poor man, I won't advise it. एक बार तुम्हारा डिग्री खत्म हो गया, identify a company in which a business which you want to do, they are doing, not an MNC, a company which does a 10 crore turnover. Journey with them till they reach 100 crore turnover and learn in this period what is business. It generally takes 7, 8, 10 years. And if you have made them richer, you have made them powerful, you have now learned business in somebody else's money, you have saved a lot of father's money. By the time you save enough money for doing business, जैसा मैंने frugality था, उसके अनुसार पैसा बनाओ, उसके बाद उतरो business में. Business is not a 100-meter dash, it is a marathon race. तो शांति रखो, टाइम लगेगा. Don't try to become don't try to purchase a Mercedes Benz before you meet your father-in-law, but you try to purchase one before you see your son-in-law. So life is little longer, business is also longer. Have patience, have focus, have frugality, have stamina. Don't leave business because job because 9 to 5 है. यहाँ आएगा सुबह 5 बजे से रात को 11 बजे तक परेशान, including Saturday, Sunday. Of course you can enjoy it, but you have to. So इतना शायद काफी है, नहीं तो लोग बिजनेस करना डर के छोड़ देगा. उसमें मोटिवेशन भी है और उसमें पेन्स भी है एंड थ्रिल भी है. एंजॉय करेगा तो जरूर जीत सकता है. Next.
So now this digitalization has taken over the businesses also, right? So what are your views on digital business and how long do you think this digital business will be sustainable?
So the business is no more known as digital business. Digital is the language, digital is the platform. So they are known as tech business. So fintech, edutech, health tech, agri tech, food tech, everything now has become little different in the nomenclature. All of them have a product or a service, but then all of them are connected. One is a customer, another is the manufacturer or the kitchen, and the delivery man is in between. The platform helps for the delivery. तो ये आपको समझ में आया रहेगा. जोमेटो का जो IPO 1 लाख करोड़ में लिस्टिंग हुई, that means tech companies are going to rule. कन्वेंशनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज को इतना वैल्यूएशन नहीं है. पूरा होटल्स का वैल्यूएशन पकड़ के ऐड करेगा तो उससे ज्यादा जोमेटो का, उसमें पैसा प्रॉफिट अभी भी नहीं दिखता है और 5 साल प्रॉफिट आने की संभावना भी नहीं है. लेकिन ट्रेंड ऐसा है कि टेक कंपनीज विल रूल द वर्ल्ड इन द लॉन्ग रन, एंड दैट इज फर्दर catalyzed by arrival of COVID? अगला सवाल.
Yeah, sir. And a very interesting question actually from Amar Patel, sir. So, sir, if you have born in Gujarat, then what would be your business views?
I should have been born in Gujarat. The question is, am I right?
If you have born in Gujarat, right? So, what would be your business?
I would have not enjoyed because उधर सबको दो आंख अच्छा है. मैं अंधों में कानिया बन के आज मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ. गुजरात इज वेरी टफ सिटी फॉर डूइंग बिजनेस. अगर मैं अहमदाबाद में बिजनेस चालू किया रहेगा तो ये बिजनेस जीतता नहीं था. आज भी मेरा बिजनेस पूरा हिंदुस्तान में सबसे कमजोर पॉइंट गुजरात. तो आई एडमायर देम, बट एट द सेम टाइम कोयम्बतूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मैं सबसे धनवान करके जो सिचुएशन है ये गुजरात में नहीं होता था. मैं और एक मछली था उस कुआं में, उतना ही है.
Sir, and do you think that your success was mainly because you had a good expertise knowledge or domain knowledge in thyroid or risk taking ability?
Yeah, I think it is simple. Every business is like a child. Egg होता है, sperm होता है. Sperm is domain expertise. Egg is business expertise. तो ये दोनों मिलन होने से ही ये बिजनेस बनती है. डोमेन एक्सपर्टाइज को बिजनेस नॉलेज नहीं होता है तो बिजनेस नहीं होएगा. तो मुझे डोमेन एक्सपर्टाइज मुझे बिजनेस सीखने को दिया. तो ये जो बिजनेस में 27 इयर्स लगा है, अगर मेरा पास बिजनेस एक्सपर्टाइज और अक्यूमेंट होता तो 15 साल में होता था. Otherwise, I think today's generation, they realize the need for multiple expertise. जो मैं थायरोकेयर कंपनी बेचा हूँ वो that is purchased by घाटकोपर गुजराती गैंग. 5 लोग 30 उम्र की बच्चे लोग जो मैनेजमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ के आया, वो लोग रिस्क लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. तो ये सब ऐसा है, रिस्क लेने के लिए अगर बिजनेस एक्सपर्टाइज है तो डोमेन एक्सपर्टाइज को पगार दे के लेके काम करा सकते हैं. बट दीज टू आर वेरी ऑफन डिफरेंट इन नेचर एंड इट हैज टू बी सीन किसके पास डोमेन एक्सपर्टाइज है. सो ईदर टेक देम एज अ पार्टनर और पे देम hefty salary. That option is up to you. मेरा सक्सेस के लिए थायराइड में पीएचडी किया था, थायराइड में रिसर्च किया था, और लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट में थायराइड बहुत महत्वपूर्ण टेस्ट था. उसकी कारण मुझे आपको एक पंचलाइन बताता हूँ. वेलुमनी इज द मैन हु हैज बिल्ट अ ब्रांड अराउंड ग्लैंड. 15 ग्राम की ग्लैंड के अंदर मैंने एक बड़ा ब्रांड बनाया. और भी कहूंगा, I focused so much on thyroid, it now sounds like Android. तो थोड़ा कुछ मेरा जम गया है, so पंचलाइन आ जाता है. But you need both to do successful business.
Yes, sir. So there are many online pharmacies like Pharmacy, Medcart, and many others who are selling the medicines at a discounted prices, or less prices than the MRP. So how are the printed prices itself are 300 or 400% high as established by the generic drug pricing. So can you do you think that the manufacturers are overpricing it?
ये थोड़ा सेंसिटिव बात है. पूरा मैन्युफैक्चरर गुजरात में ही बैठा है. मैं सच कहूंगा तो गुजरात में एयरपोर्ट में मैं उतरेगा तो मारेगा. सचमुच कहना है तो एक 10 पैसा की जो माल है, रॉ मटेरियल है, वो बनाने के लिए 50 पैसा लगता है, सब एक्सपेंडिचर होके, और उसको 5 रुपया में फैक्ट्री से बाहर निकालते हैं. और बहुत दलाल है इसमें बीच में, जो डॉक्टर लिखता है वो भी कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करता है, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ले जाके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है वो भी एक्सपेक्ट करता है, रिटेल दुकान वाला भी एक्सपेक्ट करता है, मेडिकल रेप के सबको कन्विंस करना पड़ता है उसका भी। ये सब मेक्स व्हाट इज 10 पैसा मॉल इनटू 100 रुपीज। तो ये सचमुच ऑब्सीन मार्जिन है, लेकिन इसमें एफिशिएंसी कम है। तो मुझे ऐसा एक फीलिंग है, बुरा मत मानो, ये जो 10 साल से जो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में जो भी बदलाव आ रहा है उसमें से मुझे क्या समझ में आ रहा है वो बताता हूँ। दुनिया में चार चार स्पीसीज रहेगा। एक मैन्युफैक्चरर, किचन, दूसरा कंज्यूमर, दोनों के बीच में डिलीवरर, और तीनों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए एक ऐप। खत्म। सो ये जब ये आएगा तो कस्टमर्स को बेनिफिट आएगा। इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इंडिया इज चीपेस्ट, इन एंटायर इंडिया स्टिल इट इज कॉस्टली, इट कैन बिकम स्टिल चीपर। ऐसा मुझे एक फीलिंग है, अगर हम दिल खोल के कॉमन मैन को हॉनेस्टली सर्विस देंगे, इस दुनिया में दूसरा कोई धंधा कर ही नहीं सकता है, उतना ताकत हमारे पास है। So this is my positive way of thinking. Things will get disrupted, things will become cheaper, people will price it correct, people will not put it with greed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very nicely answered. So, which businesses or verticals will become billion US dollar businesses in coming times, sir? What do you foresee?
No, this is not billion US dollar. Nowadays, the new benchmark is 1 lakh crore companies. क्योंकि हमारा ये दिल मांगे मोर, तो एक जमाने में हाफ सेंचुरी को भी बहुत बहुत स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिलता था, आजकल डबल सेंचुरी चाहिए, ट्रिपल सेंचुरी चाहिए। वैसा बिजनेस में भी एक जमाना था कि बिलियन डॉलर इज अ ग्रेट वैल्यू। टुडे कंपनीज व्हेन दे गेट लिस्टेड दे बिकम इवन 50,000 करोड़, 100,000 करोड़, लाइक दैट हो जाता है। लेकिन आप जो सवाल पूछा है उसके लिए मैं सही जवाब दूंगा। फाइनली 4 इंडस्ट्रीज इज माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, इससे बहुत लोगों को शायद एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन मैं जो कहना चाहता हूं वो ये है कि सबसे बड़ा बिजनेस फूड टेक होएगा। ये गुजराती को समझाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। फूड टेक विल बिकम द नंबर 1 इंडस्ट्री इन द country or in the world also. The second biggest industry is agri. Of course, agri will be very big industry, even bigger than food industry, because poor people will only give agri turnover, they won't give for food tech turnover. So ये दोनों number 1, number 2 depends upon the economy of the country. The third one is health tech. कहाँ के हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती होता ही जाएगा। So health tech will be third largest. And the fourth is edutech. अभी ये नहीं कह सकता हूं कि edutech फोर्थ रहेगा या फर्स्ट रहेगा। तो ये चारों काफी जबरदस्त इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, सभी आईटी में ही चलेगा, टेक्नोलॉजी में भी चलेगा। अभी अगर आप देखते हैं बाइजू जो वैल्यूएशन में निकल रहा है, वैसा सभी चीज बड़ा बनेगा जब टेक इंडस्ट्री होता है। चारों टेक इंडस्ट्री बहुत बढ़िया बिजनेस बनेगा। आगे सवाल।
Sir, do you think, I think we are running short of time. I will take the last question now and then I'll hand over it to Dr. Jaimin Vasa for the further procedure. Last question I would like to take audience, that is, do you think this franchisee model will continue to succeed?
Yeah. See, if you notice it, this franchisee model and all was working very well. because there was nothing known as common national platforms like how today you have got for Swiggy, Zomato, Ola. So these are new species. They are not distributors, they are not franchises, they are kitchen restaurant model, connecting the consumer and the manufacturer. यही उनका काम है. So in my jamana, this worked very well. And it will work very well until it is replaced by a tech company completely thinking that ये franchisee बहुत बीच में margin खाता है, वो भी कम करनी चाहिए. But a franchisee, you need to engage with the customer. So if you notice it, the franchisee model will survive, distributor model will survive because they will all become the deliverers. I said in the 4 P's of business entities, deliverer will be there, so franchisee will be there. In the services industry, it is known as franchisee. In the manufacturing industry, it is known as distributor. ये दोनों दगड़ा है, रहेगा, और वो लोगों को इतना मार्जिन जब ये हो रहा है वो कम पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको लीड्स आएगा तो सर्विस करना है, लीड्स आपको पकड़ने के लिए देगा नहीं है, क्योंकि लीड्स आप पकड़ेगा महंगा पड़ेगा. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, सर्वाइवल, फिटेस्ट हैज टू ओनली सर्वाइव. जीरोधा आ गया, उसका मतलब पूरा ब्रोकरेज सभी चीज खतरे में आ गई. सो इन दैट वे लॉट ऑफ डिसरप्शंस आर एक्सपेक्टेड. डरो मत, fittest will survive. Make yourself fit enough to succeed in life. Thank you, Ahmedabad Management Association. It is though remote, though virtual, I am sure all of you have got to see me close, listen to me well. जो बैकग्राउंड में बैठा हूँ ये बहुत सस्ता है, एक स्क्रीन बना के बैठा हूँ ताकि आप लोग सोचेंगे वेलुमनी 5,000 करोड़ बेचने का बाद बीच में ऐस कर रहा है. ये तो मन में ही रख लो, ऐस करना जरूरी नहीं है. अगर मन में ऐस करने के लिए आपको ताकत है तो God bless all of you. Soon I will be in Ahmedabad in the first quarter of the next calendar year. So जरूर कुछ इवेंट में मिलेंगे. It is a pleasure and it is fun. Thank you very much. Back to you.